In today's video, I will show you how to give Moody Chromatic effect to your landscape photos. So let's start. Click on the basic section. Next, click on black and white and then increase exposure to -0.35, reduce highlights to -100, increase shadows to +100, increase white to +25, reduce black to -61, increase the texture to +19, increase clarity to +75. Next, click on Effects. Increase grain amount to 35. Well, now see the photo turned Moody Chromatic. Thanks for watching the video.